Welcome to Best Sellers Market. Today we have an exciting lineup for you as we dive into the top-selling starters and alternators products on Amazon. These are the products that customers rave about and trust for their vehicles. So buckle up and get ready to discover the best of the best. Without further ado, let's dive right in and explore the top starters and alternators products that are making waves in the market. Let's go! Number 5 on our list is the MSD 5089 Dynaforce Starter Gear Clutch Assembly. Originating from the United States, this marvel of engineering stands as a testament to unparalleled craftsmanship and reliability. The MSD 5089 is not just any starter gear clutch assembly, it's designed to handle the rigorous demands of high-performance engines. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a passionate car enthusiast, this assembly ensures your vehicle starts smoothly every single time. Identified easily by its distinctive model number, 5089, this component is a perfect blend of form and function. It arrives in a compact package, measuring 3.8 inches in length, 3.3 inches in width, and 2.3 inches in height. Despite its small size, don't be fooled. This gear clutch assembly is a powerhouse. Weighing a mere 1.4 pounds, it is lightweight yet robust, offering superior performance without adding unnecessary bulk. So, if you're seeking a reliable, high-quality starter gear clutch assembly that delivers consistent results, look no further than the MSD 5089 Dynaforce. Number 4 on our countdown of the best-selling starters and alternators on Amazon is the remarkable MSD 5098 Dynaforce starter. This powerhouse component is a shining example of superior engineering and unmatched reliability, designed to kickstart your engine with unwavering precision. Let's dive into the specifics. The MSD 5098 comes meticulously packaged with dimensions of 13 inches in length, 7 inches in width, and 6.5 inches in height. Despite its robust capabilities, it remains compact and efficient, perfectly balancing size and power. Weighing in at a substantial 9 pounds, this starter is built to withstand the rigors of high-performance engines. Its weight speaks to its durability and strength, ensuring that you get consistent, reliable starts every time you turn the key. Whether you're racing down the track or cruising on the open road, the MSD 5098 Dynaforce starter is your go-to for seamless performance. This single package contains everything you need to elevate your vehicle's ignition system. The precise engineering and high-quality materials used in the MSD 5098 make it a standout choice for any car enthusiast or professional mechanic. For those who demand excellence and reliability, the MSD 5098 Dynaforce starter is a top contender. Embrace the power, experience the performance, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with this exceptional starter. Securing the third spot in our countdown of best-selling starters and alternators on Amazon is the Mopar P36900731 Volt Regulator. This OEM part is designed with precision and crafted to meet the highest standards, ensuring it fits your specific vehicle like a glove. Now, what makes the Mopar P36900731 stand out in a crowded marketplace? First, let's talk about its impeccable design. Manufactured to meet exact specifications for fit, form, and function, this voltage regulator ensures your vehicle operates smoothly and efficiently. It's not just a part, it's a promise of reliability and performance. The Mopar P36900731 is engineered to deliver consistent voltage regulation, protecting your vehicle's electrical system from spikes and dips. This means you can count on it to maintain optimal performance, whether you're on a long road trip or just commuting to work. Its robust construction and high-quality materials make it a durable and long-lasting component, providing peace of mind with every drive. With the Mopar P36900731, you're not just buying a voltage regulator, you're investing in the longevity and reliability of your vehicle. Embrace the assurance that comes with choosing an OEM part designed specifically for your car. Experience the difference with the Mopar 3690731-volt regulator, a true testament to quality and precision in automotive engineering. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling starters and alternators on Amazon? Well, don't stall. Give this video a jump start by liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon so you never miss a spark. Securing the prestigious second spot in our countdown of best-selling starters and alternators on Amazon is the Mopar P4529794 Regulator Black Voltage. This top-tier component is an essential addition for anyone looking to maintain peak performance in their vehicle's electrical system. What sets the Mopar P4529794 apart from the competition? Let's dive in. As an OEM part, it's crafted with the precision and expertise that Mopar is renowned for. This regulator is designed to fit your specific vehicle perfectly, ensuring seamless integration and optimal functionality. Manufactured to meet rigorous specifications for fit, form, and function, the Mopar P4529794 guarantees top-notch performance. It's not just about reliability, it's about delivering consistent voltage regulation to protect your vehicle's electrical components from fluctuations. This ensures that every system operates smoothly, from your engine to your infotainment. Its robust design and high-quality materials make this voltage regulator a durable and dependable choice. It's built to withstand the challenges of daily driving, providing you with the confidence that your vehicle is equipped with one of the best regulators on the market. Choosing the Mopar P4529794 Regulator Black Voltage means investing in the longevity and reliability of your vehicle. It's more than just a part. It's a commitment to excellence. Experience the superior craftsmanship and performance that come with every Mopar OEM part. Embrace the quality and drive with confidence. And now, we've reached the pinnacle of our top 5 countdown of the best-selling starters and alternators on Amazon. The number 1 spot goes to the Spectre Performance 4708 Throttle Return Spring Bracket. This component is the epitome of innovative design and impeccable performance, a must-have for any car enthusiast or mechanic seeking reliability and ease of installation. What makes the Spectre Performance 4708 truly exceptional? Let's delve into its features. Constructed entirely of durable steel, this throttle return spring bracket promises longevity and resilience, capable of withstanding the toughest conditions. The pedestal bracket design offers robust support, ensuring your throttle system operates smoothly and efficiently. But there's more. The cutaway styling not only adds a touch of elegance, but also ensures optimal performance, reducing weight without compromising strength. This thoughtful design caters to both aesthetics and functionality, making it a standout choice. Installation is a breeze with the Spectre Performance 4708. No special tools or skills are required, allowing anyone to easily enhance their vehicle's performance. It's perfect for dual spring setups, offering versatility and adaptability to meet your specific needs. So if you're looking for a component that combines strength, style, and simplicity, look no further than the Spectre Performance 4708 Throttle Return Spring Bracket. It's not just a part, it's a testament to quality engineering and superior performance. Elevate your vehicle's throttle system with this top-of-the-line bracket and experience the difference for yourself. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling starters and alternators on Amazon. To keep up with all the top-rated products, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the featured products. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.